Hello guys, welcome back with the second Sudoku in this additional of last Friday. Yes, last Friday, September the 10th, 2021. Today it's actually Monday, September the 13th, 2021. But today we've only one regular Sudoku, so I've mentioned you I will do the rest of the puzzles of Friday in the Friday edition, because the Saturday edition I've already solved on Saturday and Sunday. So the second puzzle in this additional will be a two-star Sudoku number 3387. Before I start, I always count the printed digits. Well, this one has 26 printed digits, and for two-star Sudoku, I need 15 to 20 minutes to solve. Alright, so let's get started. Let me scan the puzzle. Let me see. Which number shall I pick? How about the number? Yeah, which number shall I pick? Okay. We have a 6 in this row, 6 in the row below, so on the last row, the only place for the 6 should be there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 4 missing numbers in this column. One of the missing number is a 9. We see here 9, so no 9 in this box. We see a 9 in this big square, so no 9 in these two boxes. So one box left for the 9 should be there. 9 in this column, 9 in the column next. On the last column, the only two places for the 9 should be here or there. We see there 9, no 9 there, 9 should be here. Then 3 missing numbers in this column. One of the missing number is a 2. We see here 2, no 2 in this box. So the 2 could be here, could be there. Well, another 2 there, so no 2 in this box. The only place for the 2 should be there. Alright. 2 missing numbers in this column. Those missing numbers are 1, 2, 3, the 4 is missing, 5, 6, 7, and the 8 is missing. 4 and an 8. We have an 8 in this big square, so no 8 in this box. The 8 goes here, and the 4 goes there. Alright. Then. Let me see. 4 missing numbers in this big square. 2 of those missing numbers are the 2 and 8. We have a 2 and 8 in this column. So no 2 and 8 in these two boxes. The 2 and 8 goes in those two boxes as a pair. 2 and 8, we see there 2, no 2 there. 2 should be here. And the 8 goes there. 2 numbers left in this big square for the numbers 1, 2, 3, 4. 5 is missing. 6 and a 7 is missing. 5 and a 7. We see here 5, no 5 there. 5 should be here, and the 7 goes there. 2 numbers left in this big square. For the numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. The 6 and the 7 are missing. 6 and the 7, we see here 7, no 7 there. 7 should be here, and the 6 goes there. 2 numbers left in this column. For the numbers 1 is missing, 2, and the 3 is missing. 1 and 3, we see here 1, no 1 there. 1 should be here, and the 3 goes there. Alright. Okay, and now, let me see, 2 in this column, 2 in the second column. So the third column, the only 2 places for the 2 should be here or there. We see there 2, no 2 there, 2 should be here. 2 in this row, 2 in the middle row. So the row above, the only place for the 2 should be here. 2 in the third row, 2 in the second row. So in the first row, the only 2 places for the 2 should be here or there. We see that 2, no 2 there, 2 should be here. 2 in this column, 2 in the middle column. So the column next, the only 2 places for the 2 should be here or there. We see that 2, no 2 there, 2 should be there. And all the 2's are used. I can see digit number 1, number 2. All right. 1 in this column, 1 in that column. So the column between in the middle column, the only 2 places for the 1 should be here or there. We see that 1, no 1 there, 1 should be there. 9 in this column, 9 in the middle column. So the column next, the only 2 places for the 9 should be here or there. We see there 9, no 9 there, 9 should be there. And I cannot continue with the 9. How about... How about... 4 missing numbers in this big square. 2 of those missing numbers are the 7 and the 8. We have a 7 and an 8 in the middle row. So no 7 and an 8 in these 2 boxes. The 7 and 8 goes in those 2 boxes. Let me mark those 7 and 8. So the other pair in this big square should be the numbers 1, 2, the 3 is missing and the 4 is missing. 3 and the 4, we see here 3, no 3 there. 3 should be here. And the 4 goes there. All right. 4 in this row, 4 in the third row. So the row between the second row, the only 2 places for the 4 should be here or there. We see there 4, no 4 there, 4 should be here. 4 in this column, 4 in the middle column. So the column next, the only place for the 4 should be there. 4 in this row, 4 in the last row. So the row between, the only 2 places for the 4 should be here or there. We see there 4, no 4 there, 4 should be here. And now I cannot continue with the 4. 1 in this row, 1 in the last row. So the row between, the only place for the 1 should be there. 1 box left in this row. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. The 7 is missing. All right. 1 box left in this big square. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. The 8 is missing. All right. 1 box left in this column. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. The 7 is missing. Okay. Now we have a 7 here. So this box can be 7 anymore. That box should be a 7. And this box should be an 8. 1 box left in this column. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. 8 is missing. All right. 2 missing numbers in this big square. 1, 2, the 3 is missing. 4, 5, and the 6 is missing. 3 and the 6. We see here 3, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and the 6 goes there. 6 in this row, 6 in the second row. So in the third row, the only 2 places for the 6 should be here or there. We see there 6, no 6 there, 6 should be there. 6 in the third column, 6 in the first column. So the column between the second column, the only 2 places for the 6 should be here or there. We see there 6, no 6 there, 6 should be here. 6 in this row, 6 in that row. So the row between the middle row, the only place for the 6 should be there. And all the 6's are used. I can see. Digit number 2, number 6. All right. 5 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 7. We see here 707 in these 3 boxes. There 707 in those 2 boxes. So 1 box left for the 7 should be there. 7 in the first column, 7 in the second column. So the third column, only 2 places for the 7 should be here or there. We see there 707 there. 7 should be there. and all the 7s are used. I can see digit number 3, number 7. Then 2 numbers left in this big square. 1, 2, 3. The 4 is missing, and the 5 is missing. 4 and the 5. We see here 5, no 5 there. 5 should be here, and the 4 goes there. 5 in this row, 5 in that row. So the row between the middle row, the only place for the 5 should be there. 5 in this row, first row, 5 in the second row. So the third row, the only place for the 5 should be there. 5 in the first column, 5 in the third column. So the column between the second column, the only 2 places for the 5 should be here or there. We see there 5, no 5 there. 5 should be there. And all the 5s are used. I can see. This is number 4, number 5. 1 box left in the last row for the number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. The 9 is missing. 9 in the first column, 9 in the second column. So third column, only 2 places for the 9 should be here or there. We see there 9, no 9 there. 9 should be there. 1 box left in this row for the number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. The 8 is missing. All right. Then 3 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is an 8. We see an 8, no 8 in these 2 boxes. So 1 box left for the 8 should be there. 8 in the first column, 8 in the second column. So the third column, only place for the 8 should be there. 1 box left in this big square for the number 1, 2. The 3 is missing. 2 numbers left in this big square for the numbers 1 is missing. 2 and the 3 is missing. 1 and the 3. We see here 3, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and the 1 goes there. 1 in this column, 1 in the first column. So the column between the second column, the only place for the 1 should be there. 2 numbers left in this big square. The 2 final numbers. 1, 2, the 3 is missing, and the 4 is missing. We see here 4, no 4 there. 4 should be here, and the 3 goes there. Finish in 12 minutes. Wow. I've told you for 2 stars, 15 to 20 minutes. I've solved this in 12 minutes, so I'm very pleased with the time. And I like this one. Yes, I really do. Do you think so? Thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. And don't forget, only if you like, only if you want, to subscribe and hit the bell button, guys, to be notified by YouTube when I upload a new Sudokus to my channel. If it's going too fast, people, just leave a comment. Maybe I will work a little bit slower. If you need to rewind the video each time, then I will need to be slower for you. Just leave a comment. All right, 2 puzzles are left. 2 puzzles are solved. 1 is left. Tectonic with 1 star. So I will see you later. Until then, bye bye for now.